is the one I bought locally. Beauty Formula. This is the Charcoal Clay Mask. L'Oreal Miss Manga False Lash Waterproof Mascara. I wanted to try this one, so yeah. Pinili ko siya. Next product is this one from Showil. This is my favorite liquid eyeliner ever. If naghanap kayo ng hindi nagsasmudge na liquid eyeliner, I recommend this one. It's 128 pesos. Super affordable, but ang quality niya super ganda. I have a very oily eyelid, pero hindi siya nagsasmudge sa akin all throughout the day. So, nagpabili ako sa Arustan, sa friend ko. This is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer in Radiance. I need a primer that is good. It's actually really huge. It's 50 ml. Tapos, this is, magkano ba to? It's 1,750 sa Arustans. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. Lagi kong nakikita sa Facebook, sa YouTube. So, yeah, nagpabili na lang din ako. And yung shade na binili, yung shade ko is in the shade Neutral. This one cost 2,000 pesos. Next product is this one. Oh my god, I got this one na. This is the MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime. I wanted this one so bad kasi nga super hype siya sa internet and gusto ko siyang itry. So, magpabili na din ako. This one is 1,250 pesos. Para-Aid Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer. Kailangan natin to. Malinis yung kamay, diba? When you deal with your face, you have to have this one. Dati, yung ginagamit ko is the Derma-Aid. Ito. Actually, pareho lang sila. Buy one, take one to eh. Wait. This is the other one. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Yan. I really like this one. Ito yung ginagamit ko for how many months now. And I really like it. Pero, mas gusto ko na ito kasi it's much smaller. Pero same lang naman sila na 500 ml. So, tada! I have this bag. Tada! Hindi ko yan in-order. I bought this bag. I really wanted to buy this bag nung December pa. Kaso ngayon ko lang siya nabili. This bag is so pretty. I really like it. It's super big. My God. Ang laki ng lalagyan pero hindi naman siya super big. It's in black because majority naman sa stuff ko is black. I really like black. Pero my favorite color is red. Tada! This is so cute. Right? Ang ganda. Oh my god, I like this one. This one I bought for 2,499 pesos. It's actually kinda... This is the first bag. Ay, hindi. This is the second bag that I bought na medyo mahal. But, yeah, it's worth it naman. Maganda siya. Next is a brush I bought sa Watsons. Tada! Ito yun. I already used this one kasi nga wala na akong brush. And I really like this brush. This one is only 169 pesos. Oh my god. Ito ginamit ko na kasi kailangan ko na talaga gamitin. Oh my god. This is kinda heavy. Tada! Ito yung binili kong topper. Parang lalagyan. Kasi kailangan ko nang lalagyan ng mga makeup. Tada! Ayan. This one I bought for 129 pesos sa Ace Hardware. Ay, hindi pala ako bumili. May nang libre sa akin para bumili nito kasi kailangan. So, yeah. So, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!